Programming is very important. A tiny note to parents. AI is intelligent enough to build its next version. Technology will be moving much faster now. A high school that does not teach programming first and all the other subjects much later should now be seen as incompetent, if not downright cruel. AI is a computer program, and it enhances everything it touches. Programming was already a way out of poverty and a powerful method for learning by simulation. But now it is as important as reading, writing, and arithmetic. Young people will face new challenges, and they need the power of integrating with and automating artificial intelligence. The difference between reciting mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and having AI automate product creation, game graphics, book writing, and creation of a startup even, is so vast that everything must immediately change. Take a moment to contemplate your largely ineffective education and simply hire tutors to help your children learn programming as soon as possible. If you have a problem grasping the gravity of this situation, go to the bathroom, look at yourself in the mirror, and slowly say out loud, "Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell." Until your kid's school is teaching programming for the first 3 years of high school, go hire tutors. Just get multiple tutors. Don't let your kids' early education end up like yours did. Let them learn programming so that they can simulate the mitochondria and learn more about it. So that they can learn about the cell by recreating it in the computer. Or understand the human biome by mapping everything out. Among many other things, computer programming is a microscope, a way to study something at great depth for real. I recommend learning a swift little language from the C family. It's called ECMAScript, commonly known as modern JavaScript. As they are learning, your children won't have to spend time on describing variables. Under JavaScript, their data type is automatically taken care of. Now, JavaScript has nothing to do with Java. Today, people using Java in their workplace must pay license fees. JavaScript also teaches how to make web pages, server applications, standalone executables, and browser-based desktop applications. It is such a popular language that it does a lot of things pretty well. Programmers who started programming Java for Android may need to switch to Rust soon. Programmers who learned Python created a lot of slow programs that are just wrappers for C and C++. And while there are some great programming languages out there, Go and Zig come to mind, they are young compared to C and C++. Ultimately, no matter what language you begin with, you still have to learn JavaScript if you want to put your application on the web. As to career, dentists, doctors, politicians, and lawyers, those are the jobs that will be taken by AI. AI will regrow your teeth, visit you right in your home to order a cure for your ailment, run a state like man with a conscience, and learn every law on the book. In the year 2000, it was high time to purchase a proper desktop computer. In 2010, it was time to get on that web. In the 20s, your kids better master programming. Because the AI will first accelerate its own development and then ours. And at such a rate that you are already 4 years late with bringing programming into your household. Programming is the interface to everything. It is as important as reading and writing. And while human tutors are important to start with, internet tutorial videos and AI itself as a JavaScript teacher are pretty good as well. Afterward, take a look at the slightly odd but open source and free Node-RED as a starting point. Although clunky, Node-RED comes with many tutorial videos and gives you that code editor box where you can put in little bits of JavaScript code to make some interesting things happen. It is a very interesting, mysterious, and inviting first step.